Alright, so here's a newer flip. One of those people, I like to take what I already know and just kind of play around and learn new things. Well, I've showed you this one before. Hang on, let me tighten my screws down. Always working loose on this one. I showed you this one. And then I showed you the variation where you hold it and you come back around the back of your hand and then catch it. Well, so I was playing around and I got thinking about it. Well, what if I just go around the back of one finger and kind of twirl it and then catch it? Seemed like a cool enough idea. Then I tried it a few times, and as you can see, it's kind of rough. But then I got the bright idea, maybe I could do it in one smooth motion. So I tried it, and as you can see, it's not that easy at first, but with enough practice, I got to where I can go like this. So you just start holding the safe handle, kind of balanced on these two. You swing it down, let it go around, and then you want to catch it and pull your index finger out of the way at the same time. So it's kind of cool, kind of stupid, and I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but it can be done. There we go, that was the best so far. Anyway, peace out.